Hi everyone, today the pose that we're going to be working on in our Ambition yoga series is boat pose. And this is quite an ambitious pose because there's lots of things that we can do to make it harder. So when we're learning boat pose, we always start in the same way. That is with our feet flat on the floor like this, nice straight spine. Can you see how my back's not rounding like this? It's nice and straight. Shoulders are back. You take your hands behind your knees and you come onto your tiptoes like this. Squeeze your belly button in, so squeeze your belly button all the way to your back. This will help us stay really strong and really straighten the spine. Then I want you to look forward and maybe you start by just lifting one leg out in front of you and pointing your toes. Put it back down on the mat. Then you take your right leg and point it forward, looking forward all the time. Now, that might be where you come to with your boat pose, but if you want to challenge yourself, maybe you're going to start to lift both legs at the same time, but we want to keep the spine, our backs, nice and straight. So squeeze everything in, squeeze your belly button all the way to your back, look forward, and maybe your toes are going to start to float off the mat. From here, you can take your hands out to the front. Maybe you want to splash in the water on your boat. And keep that heart lifted, so we're lifting upwards with our chest. Now this is really difficult, but if you want to really test yourself, maybe you can straighten your legs upwards, keeping that back nice and tight, nice and long. And finally from here, can you see this is an extra challenge? If you can go to your low boat pose, gradually coming all the way down and just hovering just on the mat, and take a big breath in and come all the way up. Come all the way down, come all the way up, all the way down. One more time, hold everything in. Gosh, that's hard work. So boat pose is really good at strengthening our core muscles, which we talked about last week. So all of our tummy muscles. It's really nice at opening our shoulders and also strengthening our spine, so strengthening our back area. I cannot wait to see you all trying this.